Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I will tell you what you need to do on a daily basis in order to be mentally fit. This video is related to mental health. Today I will tell you how to take care of your mental health. Today I will tell you what I do on a daily basis that helps me in staying mentally stable. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. I will soon post a video on it. My Insta ID is also in the description below. Now let's start the video. So I will tell you few things now and you have to do them regularly. Just like you have to exercise regularly in order to stay physically fit, similarly you have to do these things regularly if you want to stay mentally fit. And you don't have to start doing all these things together. You can just start with one or two of them. Now let me tell you the first thing that I do regularly in order to keep my mental health in control, and it is that I spend 2 to 3 hours every day with those people who truly understands me. And this is the first thing that you have to do, and this is probably the most important thing that you have to do if you want to be mentally healthy. So after finishing my office work at around 7 p.m., I go and meet my friends. I have 4 or 5 friends and we are friends since we were in class second or third. So I just go there and I meet them, and together we spend 2 3 hours every day. And this is the thing that you have to do as well. You should definitely take out time for yourself every day. Now the second thing that I do in order to keep my mental health in control is I don't talk to those people who intentionally try to hurt me or insult me. There must be some people in your life who are living just to make you upset. Like in my case, I have my mother. My mother is a patient of depression, and you know it is very difficult to stay with a person who is suffering from depression. So whenever I talk to her, I become so angry and upset, and I know that it's not her fault, but I cannot do anything about it. So I simply try to avoid talking to her as much as I can. And if there are some people in your life who just try to insult you, who just try to disturb you without any reason, maybe some of your classmates or some of your friends or maybe someone in your office, then the best thing that you can do is simply avoid them. And this is the best thing that you can do for your mental health. Now let me tell you another great thing that I do in order to keep myself mentally healthy, and it is that if something is bothering me or if I have to do something that is important and urgent, for example, if you are a student and you have to prepare for your exams, or if you are an employee and you have too much work to do, then what I do is I simply write in a diary what I have to do and how will I do it. For example, if you are a student and you have to prepare for your exams, if your exams are coming, then simply write in a diary, from this date you will start preparing for your exams, you will study for this many hours every day, you will study these subjects, and simply create a plan for it. Don't keep everything in your mind because it will create too much unnecessary pressure on you. So this is another great thing that I do. Now let me tell you the final thing that I do in order to keep my mental health in control, and it is that no matter how hard you try to keep worry out of your life, there must be some times in your life when you will become so angry and so worried because of some reasons. So in that case, you will open this book and you will start reading few chapters of this book, and after reading few chapters of this book you will again become completely normal. It is one of the best book in my opinion for mental health. It is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie, and I have recommended this book in many of my videos, and I have already given the Amazon link of this book in the description below, so you can buy this book from there or you can also buy it from a shop near you. So these were the few things that I do in order to keep myself mentally healthy. So this was all for this video. Now if you have any question in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.